sinasabi mo dahil binalik yung dati at ito daw yung original na nangyayari kapag Guling-Guling Festival?
Oo nga, nakakaiba itong taon na to, 2019 Guling-Guling Festival, dahil nga ito ay yung susundin natin yung very authentic practice ng mga Paweños. Unlike before, it's really modified and commercialized because of the beautiful costumes that we wear. So ngayong taon, it's really going back to the authentic celebration, which is the natural costume and then the natural steps. So lahat ng mga taga-Paway ngayon ay pwedeng makipag-participate dahil hindi na choreograph. It will depend on how we interpret the guling-guling at this age.
Bakit napalitan noon? Naging ito ba yung nagdahil sa turismo?
Well, isa yan sa dahilan kung bakit napalitan, dahil sa turismo, dahil gusto nila naman mas maganda at mas choreograph yung steps ng Guling-Guling Festival. And then because of the contest, syempre kailangan mo rin yung pagandahin, yung costumes dapat maganda dahil nga may mga contest naman, may mga judges. So they are basing it from the costume and then the steps. So na-modified noon, pero we are trying to bring back what is really Guling-Guling mean is.
So kanya-kanyang step, kumbaga?
Yeah, kanya-kanyang step ngayon, so everybody can participate. Yung mga matatanda, mga bata, millennials. Tulad ng nasabi ko kanina, how will you interpret the dance? Well, sa ating mga kababayan dito sa probinsya ng Ilocos Norte at over the world na taga-subaybay ninyo sa Facebook at sa mga social media, kami po sa Paway, sa pangunguna ni Mayor Dr. Eileen Diagono Guerrero, is inviting you na sana next years na pwede kayong makipag-participate and then pwede kayong makisayaw sa amin. Tulad nga nung sinasabi natin, ang concept talaga is a merrymaking before going to the Lenten season. Dahil bukas, as Wednesday na, tayong mga Kristiyano, tayong mga Katoliko ay talagang nagsasaya, sumasayaw, kumakain. And then pagkalampag natin ng Lenten season ay medyo holy na tayo, nag-fasting na tayo. So I am inviting all of you, mga kababayan natin sa Pawayan you all over the world to come and join us next year for the Guling-Guling Festival.
Ginagawa ninyo noon na lahat ng mga barangays po ay kasali po sa Guling-Guling.
Yes, sir. Actually, it's only this year na binabalikan namin ang original. Kasi originally, banda ang nag-music namin noon. And then, I remember when I was still in high school, ayun, lahat ng mga folks, ayun, ganito ang ano namin. We brought out all our antique bandiling.
Yes,
okay, because the mayor wanted us to wear all of these things because she wants that the long time ago kind of celebration of the Guling-Guling Festival is to be revived.
So, ibig sabihin po wala pong or kanya-kanya rin yung step natin?
Yes. Actually, this is by district, sir. Okay, this is by district. And so, we practice the dance by district. And so, it's up to us, even if the other districts have the different steps, then, ayun, for as long as we, the members of district, in each district, have the same.
So, ano po yung masasabi natin dahil may balik na po yung dati?
Okay. It is still the best, sir, because it's very nice to revive what has been shown before. Because that is really the meaning of guling-guling or what we call purus-purus merrymaking only in Paway.
Ganus kay may launay kita ken lawas nga umay kakasaren kay tulaunay Luiben kam sa kay dunin kang kay tagi mamakan nawan Langit amat mat inapudno ang palagayan
dagat ti agsalsala, nga da sabsabong ti buok na, nga agkakantada pa, iwan na niya mga tukar agsalsala, dala sa kalsala. Kaya po magpakita nga, uray ba yun una na, adang guling-gulingon.
Ma'am, apay nga, hindi ko akit nasa balian, nga nagbalik na authentic.
Because culture is dynamic. I mean, it keeps on improving and improving, and that is one way of making the festival more festive. After series of seminars that the management has undergone, we are really improved